Hey bestie, got a cute notebook, but got no idea what to do with it. Don't worry, I got you. Welcome to my journal. About me. Most important, your theme. Or this rainbow theme.
Wow!
Self-care cuties, how can you forget it? No bestie, write in your diary whenever you feel sad. Can you guys please subscribe to my channel and give more ideas in comments? Clapping for those who did. Diet plan. Motivational quotes. Habit tracker. Prayer tracker, very imp. Steady schedule routine.
Oh no!
This year I want to-do list. Set your monthly plans. Places I want to go. Your favorite food.
Yummy!
Water tracker, stay hydrated.
Thank you very much!
Things that makes you happy. Things to remember. Doodles, come on, you can make anything.
Thank you very much!
An ideal day. Best moments, memories. Tell me in the comments, what's your favorite memory? Positivity notes, cuties. Health tracker, stay healthy. Birth dates of your friends and family. Last but not the least, scrapbook. It's so creative. You can use washi tapes to decorate your notebook too.